This HP 27-inch all-in-one is a productivity monster. Fast, sleek, and surprisingly green? Ever feel like your desktop's holding you back? Slow load times, clunky design, fans screaming like a jet engine, and a desk that looks like a tech junkyard? Yeah, we've been there. Trying to multitask on outdated tech is like juggling bowling pins with oven mitts. You're losing precious time and energy to sluggish performance and constant troubleshooting. You need something faster, cleaner, and smarter. Something that doesn't just work, but works with you. Your sanity and your deadlines can't afford another second of tech friction. The stress is real. Missed meetings, lag during video calls, files loading like it's 2005, and your boss pinging you for just one more thing. Meanwhile, your current setup is puffing like it's running a marathon, and your creativity's stuck behind a spinning wheel. Deadlines loom. Burnout whispers. Opportunity walks out the door. It's more than just a slow PC, it's costing you your focus, your peace of mind, and maybe even your next big break. Don't let weak hardware be your weakest link. Enter the HP 27-inch all-in-one desktop PC, 27CR0080, your new productivity powerhouse. With a lightning-fast 13th Gen Intel Core i7, 16GB RAM, and a blazing 512GB SSD, this beast turns waiting into done. The 27-inch Full HD IPS touchscreen gives you crisp, color-rich visuals with anti-glare comfort, while the whisper-quiet cooling and space-saving design keep things cool, literally and aesthetically. Plus, it's got that slick Zoom-certified webcam, built-in noise reduction mics, and all-day wireless punch with Wi-Fi 6 plus Bluetooth 5.3. Made with recycled plastics and EPEAT Gold certified, it's not just powerful, it's planet-friendly too. Say hello to speed, style, and sustainability, all in one. This isn't just another shiny screen, it's your new creative command center. Streamline your workflow with effortless multitasking, thanks to dual-channel memory and Intel Iris Xe graphics that handle everything from Excel to editing like a champ. Get locked into laser focus mode with the 3-sided micro-edge display and flicker-free tech that's easy on your eyes and soul. Customers are raving, it's like my old PC went from tricycle to Tesla. Boots in seconds, feels like warp speed. Even casual gamers are impressed, I use it for MMA gaming, smooth AF. The whole setup's clean, modern, and shockingly quiet. And with a 1-year warranty plus 24/7 support, HP's got your back. Still wondering if it's worth it? Watch till the end, we'll show you why it's the desktop everyone's secretly jealous of. This is your moment, ditch the digital dinosaur and upgrade to a machine that moves at your speed. Stock is limited, and these bad boys are moving fast. Thousands have already made the switch, what are you waiting for? Click buy now to lock yours in today. Don't sleep on this deal. Your next win, project, or passion deserves tech that can keep up. Secure your HP 27-inch all-in-one now and start crushing your to-do list like a boss. Let's go.